my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. Down here in the south, we love casseroles, sweet or savory. So today's recipe, I got a great casserole that'll be perfect to serve for your Easter ham or any time of the week. We're going to make cheesy broccoli and rice casserole. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. This recipe is step by step, and everybody will love and enjoy this. Great to serve with roast chicken, meatloaf, pork chops, you name it. And it's sure to make your mouth water. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more side dish recipes, check out my side dishes recipes playlist and my previous video, lemon meringue pie. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your rice, your broccoli, and get your cheese grated sugar, because we're about to bake some cheesy broccoli and rice casserole magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, over here I'm grating my cheese. I have 8 ounces of Kobe Jack, and this 8-ounce block will give us exactly 2 cups. And I recommend grating yourself instead of buying it already shredded, because it melts better. Alrighty, I got all my cheese grated, and I saved a half a cup on the side to put on top. So now we're going to set the cheese aside while we get started on the broccoli. Over here, I have my fire over high heat. I have a large pot of water boiling. And we're going to add in 6 cups of broccoli florets. I'm using the frozens, or you can use the fresh. Just going to gently pour it into the hot water, so that way the hot water won't splash on me. So now we're going to let it cook for about 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. You want to still be a little bright green because it will finish cooking in the oven. And then I'm going to drain it. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through cooking my broccoli, and I cut them up into pieces. Just like that. Now we're ready to make our cheese sauce. In my saucepan, I have my fire over medium heat. I add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we're going to add in 1 small onion that I diced. Give it a quick whisk. And we're going to let the onions cook until they're translucent. About 5 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, our onions nice and translucent. So now we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 of a teaspoon each of garlic powder and white pepper, or you can use black. Give it a quick whisk. We're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes to get rid of that raw flour taste. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through cooking the flour. So now we're going to add in 2 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. Going to whisk this in constantly so that way we don't get lumps in the sauce. So now we're going to let this cook until it thickens. Alrighty, my friends, our sauce is nice and thick. See? That looks great. Alrighty, now it's time to add in our other ingredients. 3 tablespoons of cream cheese spread. Our seasonings, a half a teaspoon each of ground mustard and smoked paprika, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick, and some kosher salt to taste. Be careful not to add too much salt because cheese has salt in it. And 1.5 cups of our grated Kobe Jack cheese. And whisk all these together until the cheese melts. Alrighty, my friends, our cheese is nice and melted. Look at this yummy cheese sauce. Woo-wee! Oh, yeah. Gonna be amazing. And it smells heavenly. Alrighty, off camera, I removed it from the burner. Now it's time to add in our last two ingredients. 2 cups of cooked long grain white rice, or you can use any kind of rice, and make sure you cook it in vegetable broth. And last but not least, our cooked broccoli. And stir this in. Y'all hear that sound? Oh yes, nice and creamy. It's about to get down up in here. Alrighty, as soon as I get through stirring up everything, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through stirring up my mixture. Doesn't this look good? It's not even baked yet. Perfect. Now we're ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour it in a 9 by 13 inch baking pan that's sprayed with cooking spray, or you could grease it with butter. Spread it evenly. Alrighty, now it's time for the final step. Adding our remaining Colby Jack cheese. Can't have too much cheese if I do say so myself. Alrighty, now we're ready to put this casserole in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let it bake for about 35 minutes until the cheese is melted. Alrighty, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cheesy broccoli and rice casserole. Doesn't that look good? And it smells heavenly. Alrighty, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. It's so creamy, just melts in your mouth. The broccoli's nice and tender, and the rice, cheesy goodness. It's bursting with flavor. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum. Broccoli rice casserole delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Easter from the Easter Bunny.